tuned, because this is about to get hot. What's going on, folks? This song that I'm getting ready to do here is requested by Holly West, and she gave me another link because one of her videos got blocked. But this right here is from Derek Trucks, and the first one she gave me unfortunately was blocked. And sis, I don't know how to pronounce all the stuff that's in this one. This is the Derek Trucks band live at Crossroads. This says Sahib Teri Bandi Makki Madni NFAK. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna go right on into it. Let's hope this one gets through. Fingers crossed. That was off the chain bad. Got some foods in the background talking about some I want candy. See why? Because it be the boom, yeah, I see why they was thinking would say something like that. Anyway, man, this was good. I really like this. This is another one of those performances that the only way you would actually be able to enjoy this is if you watched it. I mean, yes, I can listen to this, but this would be something I would want to watch. It's just like the one I did it 2 days ago or something like that. I know I skipped a day, but I did it the other day. What was it? I can't think of it, guys, but y'all know what I'm talking about. What I said, there's no way I would be able to just sit there and just listen to this in the car. Like, I would have to see them doing this. But anyway, this right here was a really just cool, fun time just to sit and listen to this. I really just enjoy watching them do this. It's just something that you can just see them just do this for like an hour or something. And then I love how they switch the tempo and went into something completely different. Same song, but just switch the tempo up and make it sound like it's a whole different song. Anyway, really enjoy this, guys. I mean, I like this. Y'all know I like seeing people do their craft. You know, seeing the didn't know if I was getting ready to burp or a hiccup. I mean, I'm sorry, but seeing them do this live, it just adds so much more to it for me. I know for some of you guys it's nothing. I know a lot of people always say things about the studio version, but in my opinion, again, there is good studio versions, but I just like seeing the people actually make their body do the stuff to make the sound come out. You know, like Stevie Ray Vaughan, I would love. Stevie Ray Vaughan, I know he made really awesome music, really. But I would rather see Stevie Ray Vaughan do his stuff versus hear it on like just cassette or whatever. Although Voodoo Child, I rock that out anyway, so I'll take that back a little bit. Anywho, let me know what you guys think of this song right here, alright? Leave it in the comments below after this video. I am Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man, hoping and praying that every last one of you guys have food, shelter, clothing, and I hope and pray every last one of you guys are in great health. God bless you all through Jesus.